Have you ever looked at those stunning backyard makeovers online and thought, that must have cost a fortune? The perfectly styled patios, the cozy outdoor lounges, the beautiful lighting, the elegant furniture arrangements. The truth is, many of the outdoor spaces that look expensive aren't necessarily expensive at all. Luxury isn't always about how much money you spend. More often, it's about how intentionally a space is designed. Professional designers know a secret that many homeowners overlook. A few smart upgrades can completely transform the look and feel of an outdoor space without draining your bank account. Today, we're exploring 9 affordable ways to make your patio, backyard, balcony, or garden look dramatically more luxurious. These ideas focus on visual impact, comfort, atmosphere, and smart design principles that create a high-end appearance on a realistic budget. Whether you're working with a tiny patio, a small backyard, or a large outdoor area that needs a refresh, these styling tips can help you achieve that upscale resort-like feeling without spending thousands of dollars. Let's get started. 1. Create defined outdoor zones. One of the biggest differences between an ordinary backyard and a luxurious outdoor space is organization. Expensive outdoor designs rarely feel random. Instead, they divide the space into purposeful zones. A dining area, a conversation area, a relaxation corner, a garden feature. Even a small backyard can benefit from this principle. You don't need walls or expensive landscaping. Simple techniques can create separation. An outdoor rug can define a seating area. Planters can create visual boundaries. A bench can establish a reading corner. When guests enter a space with clearly defined zones, the entire area feels more intentional and professionally designed. Luxury often comes from thoughtful planning rather than expensive purchases. 2. Use outdoor lighting strategically. Few upgrades create a bigger transformation than lighting. In fact, many luxury outdoor spaces look most impressive after sunset. The good news? Outdoor lighting doesn't have to be expensive. String lights remain one of the most affordable options available. When hung above a patio or seating area, they instantly create warmth and atmosphere. Solar pathway lights add elegance to walkways. Lanterns introduce visual interest. LED candles create a cozy glow. The goal isn't maximum brightness, it's creating layers of light. Soft illumination makes a backyard feel inviting, relaxing, and surprisingly sophisticated. A space that feels ordinary during the day can feel magical at night. 3. Add oversized planters. Plants are one of the easiest ways to elevate an outdoor area. But there's a designer trick many people overlook. Instead of using many small pots scattered everywhere, use fewer oversized planters. Large containers create stronger visual impact. They feel deliberate, premium, architectural. Even inexpensive plants can look expensive when displayed properly. Choose containers with simple shapes and neutral colors. Fill them with ornamental grasses, small trees, lavender, or lush greenery. The scale alone creates a sense of luxury. It makes the space feel curated rather than cluttered. 4. Invest in outdoor textiles. One reason luxury resorts feel comfortable is because they layer soft materials throughout outdoor spaces. Fortunately, you can achieve a similar effect affordably. Outdoor textiles instantly transform furniture. Add outdoor cushions, throw pillows, outdoor rugs, lightweight blankets. Stick to a coordinated color palette. Neutral tones often create the most sophisticated appearance. Beige, cream, soft gray, earthy browns, muted greens. Textiles soften hard surfaces and make outdoor spaces feel like extensions of the home rather than separate environments. Comfort always feels luxurious. 5. Hide visual clutter. Luxury spaces appear calm because they eliminate distractions. Many backyards suffer from visible clutter. Garden tools, hoses, children's toys, storage bins, equipment. These items may be necessary, but they don't need to be visible. Simple storage solutions can dramatically improve appearance. Storage benches, deck boxes, decorative cabinets, hidden storage containers. When unnecessary items disappear from view, the space immediately feels cleaner and more expensive. Sometimes luxury is simply the absence of clutter. 6. Refresh old furniture. Instead of replacing it, many people assume luxury requires brand new furniture. Not necessarily. Some of the most impressive outdoor spaces feature furniture that has simply been refreshed. A fresh coat of paint can completely transform old metal furniture. Wood furniture can be sanded and restained. New cushions can update outdated seating. Replacing worn hardware often makes a surprising difference. Instead of spending thousands on new pieces, focus on maximizing what you already own. Furniture Revival is one of the smartest, budget-friendly upgrades available. And because the changes are highly visible, the impact is immediate. 7. Create a focal point. Every luxurious outdoor space has something that draws attention. A focal point gives the eye a place to rest. Without one, a backyard can feel visually scattered. Fortunately, creating a focal point doesn't require major construction. Examples include a fire pit, a water feature, a statement planter, a pergola, a decorative bench, an outdoor sculpture, a feature wall. The focal point becomes the anchor of the design. Everything else feels more organized around it. This simple principle instantly increases visual sophistication. 8. Use natural materials. Whenever possible, natural materials consistently appear in high-end outdoor design. Wood, stone, gravel, rattan, bamboo, terracotta. These materials feel timeless because they connect the space to nature. You don't need expensive stone patios or custom-built structures. Even small additions can have a significant impact. A wooden planter, a gravel pathway, a stone garden border, a rattan chair. Natural materials introduce texture and authenticity. They age beautifully and rarely go out of style. This is one reason luxury outdoor spaces often feel effortless. Nature itself becomes part of the design. 9. Keep the color palette simple. One of the easiest mistakes homeowners make is introducing too many competing colors. Luxury design tends to be restrained. A simple palette creates cohesion, consistency, elegance. Choose 2 or 3 primary colors and repeat them throughout the space. For example, beige white natural wood, gray black green sand, olive terracotta. This approach makes even inexpensive furniture and decor feel coordinated. When colors work together, the entire outdoor area feels professionally styled. The result appears far more expensive than it actually is. Bonus tip: add a DIY outdoor coffee table. If there's one affordable project that creates immediate luxury, it's a simple outdoor coffee table. Using reclaimed wood, pallets, or leftover lumber, you can build a custom centerpiece for your seating area. The table creates functionality, it anchors furniture arrangements, it encourages conversation, and it gives the outdoor space a finished appearance. Luxury often comes from these small details that make a space feel complete. Why luxury is more about design than budget. Many homeowners believe beautiful outdoor spaces require large budgets. In reality, professional designers often focus more on principles than products. They think about layout balance, comfort lighting, texture cohesion. These principles cost little or nothing to implement. The difference lies in how elements work together. A thoughtfully arranged patio with affordable furniture often feels more luxurious than an expensive space filled with random purchases. Design always beats spending. Common backyard styling. Mistakes to avoid. As you upgrade your outdoor space, watch out for common mistakes. Avoid overcrowding the area, mixing too many styles, ignoring lighting, using too many colors, choosing undersized furniture, leaving clutter visible, neglecting maintenance, forgetting comfort. Luxury spaces feel effortless because they eliminate unnecessary distractions. Simplicity often creates the strongest visual impact. Creating a resort-like feeling at home. One reason people love luxury hotels and resorts is that those environments encourage relaxation. They feel intentional, peaceful, comfortable. The same atmosphere can be created at home. Focus on comfortable seating, soft lighting, natural textures, organized layouts, greenery, clean surfaces. These elements work together to create an environment people genuinely enjoy spending time in. The goal isn't to impress guests, it's to create a space that improves everyday life. Creating a luxurious outdoor space doesn't require a luxury budget. It requires thoughtful choices. By defining outdoor zones, adding strategic lighting, using oversized planters, incorporating textiles, hiding clutter, refreshing furniture, establishing focal points, embracing natural materials, and simplifying your color palette, you can dramatically elevate the appearance of any patio or backyard. The most beautiful outdoor spaces aren't necessarily the most expensive. They're the ones designed with purpose. They're comfortable, inviting, relaxing, and most importantly, they feel like an extension of the people who use them. So before spending thousands on a complete backyard renovation, start with these 9 simple upgrades. You may be surprised by how much luxury can be created with creativity, intention, and a modest budget. Because sometimes the most impressive transformations come not from spending more, but from designing smarter.